My name's Jacob and this is Mulberry Tree Cuttings. Facing upward, so something like this, growing up, and you want it to be browning off, so like having bark on it. You don't want, thankfully most of them grow up. You don't want something like, that. That's too new. Something more like this, with several nodes on it. This is nice lighting, so I guess I'll cut it here. So the trick is to get 3 nodes from your cutting. So you want to cut at the 4th node, which is there. That there is the node. There's no leaves growing off of it, but once upon a time it did. You can see it's fallen off there. So that will grow roots from there. You can cut it there, 45-degree angle to increase the surface area so it absorbs more water. You want to cut these leaves off, these leaves off. Basically the first 2. Like that, and you can either leave the leaf on it, or just to help it, cut a little bit of the leaf off, and it's just less for it to worry about. That leaf might die, don't worry. What you really want to focus on is these, whether they start to regrow and if roots come out of here. Half a dozen or more. So you will get something like a mulberry cutting that, believe it or not, is fruiting. Look at that. You want to wait until it's root bound. Mine isn't root bound yet. So just wait, leave it in there. Patience is key for cuttings. Just leave them. You want a cutting to look like this. That's when you know.
It's ready for the ground.
Ready for the ground.